Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm out and about today, right? So I thought I'll do a quick video for you guys, right? I do an update on eating the garlic. I did a video, my last video was about that. Was it the last video? Yes, about eating garlic, right? So so beneficial, right? So my husband went to, as I mentioned in that video, right? My husband and I have been drinking garlic tea. We just boil a few cloves of garlic and drink the liquid. We also eat the garlic after it has been boiled. It will be nice and soft, and it's more tolerable. There is no burning sensation, right? It's easier to chew. So we have been doing that. But last week, my husband, he went to the doctor, and they told him his pressure was high. So I told him I found it was strange that his pressure was high because we have been eating the garlic on a regular basis, right? We may miss a day or two, but we have been eating it on a regular basis, right? So, but what happened with him? He's diabetic, so maybe the complications of the diabetes may have also transferred to his pressure being high, right? So it may be that. So I have made a decision to I will eat the raw garlic instead. Well, you know, as opposed to boiling it and making tea and stuff, right? Get the raw garlic like what my mom used to do, but I would not be eating it whole. Like how, you know, you saw me in my video where I burn so much. But I'm learning a lot. Like if you finely chop it, or if you grate it, leave it for like a few minutes, and then you could consume it. This morning what I had for breakfast, I had some chopped in the fridge. I was supposed to use it yesterday to sprinkle over my food, and I forgot it. So what I did this morning, I boiled some eggs. When they were boiled, I cut them in half, and I sprinkled some of the grated garlic on the boiled eggs, and that went down pretty good. After I did that last video, I think a few days afterwards, we sprinkled some grated garlic over our food, what we were eating, and my husband and I really enjoyed the meal. The garlic tastes really good with the meal mixed up with the food and everything. It gives the food a really nice flavor, and we enjoyed it, you know. So I'm doing that more often. But what I will do to make it faster, I will use like a garlic press. That's much faster. Just put one clove in the garlic press and just press it out, and get the garlic finely grated, you know. So before I go any further, I just want to do a shout out to Byer and Sandra Kitwana. I'm just going off the top of my head. Sandra says she makes like a ginger and garlic tea. She does that every day. And Byer, she says she used hers raw grated. She used the garlic press, and I guess she sprinkled it over her food. And I can't remember anybody else right now. Let me see the person I want to mention too. Anyway, like I said, I was just going on the top of my head who I could remember right now. Yeah, so I think I'll do another video in my kitchen where I show you what meals that I prepare, and how I use how I eat the raw garlic different ways. Oh, another young lady, Cooking with Lisa, she said that she add the garlic in her banana smoothie. That's really odd. I guess the sweetness of the banana kind of like overpowers the flavor of the garlic. Or I'm studying about the smell too, you know. I don't know. That sounds really odd, but I will give it a try and let you know what I think with adding garlic into my banana smoothie to see how that tastes, right? Yeah, so this is a little quick update to share with you what I've been doing with this, trying to eat the garlic raw, you know, the progress, how it has been going. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you have been doing or what you are doing to be able to consume the raw garlic, right? A quick update, after I spoke to you last video, I think, yeah, we here in BVI is waiting on news from the government. Possibility we will have a second 100% lockdown as of today. It's not a nice feeling. To be honest with you, last week when we heard that we had a few cases popping up, and we at that time we were on a curfew from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. right? So when we got the news that we had a case that popped up out of the blue kind of thing, right? The curfew went to 7 p.m. from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. That was last week. So, and then within a day or two, when a few more cases were popping up, the curfew went again lengthened now from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. That's where we are right now, from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. And now the government is debating right now if they should go on a total lockdown, because more cases are popping up and stuff, you know. So I don't know. It's really depressing. When I heard the news last week, actually, I would be honest with you, I was a bit getting kind of depressed, you know. I just have to remind myself I am not alone in this, and we'll get through this, you know. I will overcome this, and this will pass. My mother always used to say, everything has a beginning and an end. I just want to mention again, I have a t-shirt store, right, with some designs that I created. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. So it's a way of just supporting my channel, another way to support my channel and my content. Also, if you're not interested in that, I have what you call a virtual coffee. Buy me a virtual coffee. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below, so you can check it out and support my channel, you know, if you prefer to do it that way. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.